Hi, Paul Giroux from MarineMax, Warwick, Rhode Island. Today I'd like to take you through the 285 Boston Whaler Conquest. Beautiful fishing boat and family boat. I'm going to walk you right down the outside of the boat, and she's on the hard, and we just got her in. Beautiful lines all the way down the hull. While she's out of the water, give you a good look at the transom here. This boat's powered by twin 250 horsepower Mercuries, has the white optional cowlings there, and shows 200 gallons of fuel. And if you know some of the features, 4-rung ladder, goes very deep in the water, gets you out of the water safely. Come on, take a look aboard. Alright, once we're in the cockpit here, you can see how big it is for a 28-foot boat. This boat will get you offshore, far, and get the big fish on. You have plenty of room for fishing here. She's set up with a live well. You have a wash-down hose, nice and convenient here, as well as plenty of rod holders all around the boat. Also, when you're with your family and your guests and you want to relax and enjoy, very simply fold out these seats. There's a dedicated table under here that goes right here, and now you have some nice lounging area as well. So you can use this boat for fishing, for cruising, and for entertaining, absolutely. Plenty of more storage here, all sorts of drawers for your fishing gear. Nice seat here to face aft, and also with a footrest. We have a sink area, fresh water, cup holder, and plenty of storage underneath here as well. Also, on both sides we have 2 large fish boxes. Give you just a glimpse into there. You can fit some nice sized fish in there. And as well as a very well dedicated spot for all your batteries, your fuel tank, and all your through hulls, and everything is labeled right here, nice and neat for you so you can see. And this is your table for dedicated storage. Take a walk up front, I'll show you the helm area and down below. Okay, we're inside the Helm Station now, and in inclement weather we have a perfect strata-glass system that will wrap around completely, come right down and get you out of the elements. That strata-glass is conveniently located right up here in a bag, and it stays up there, dedicated spot. As you can see, you have a nice lounger here on the port side. This also comes off, it can be stored down below for seating, and you have a nice convenient little table here, so you can sit and have lunch or a snack. The Helm Seat over here, one of my favorites here on Boston Whaler. This is a Helm Seat. It's got a pull-up bolster here, and it's sturdy. Nice stainless steel adjustable steering wheel. This unit has a Raymarine single unit on it. All your rocker switches there, throttles, and a stereo. Take a look down below. Alright, we're down below the 285 Conquest now. We have a beautiful layout which Boston Whaler has on all of their boats. As you can see, a nice sitting area here for a few adults and children. We have a nice ventilation here if you'd like to open the hatch, as well as some rod holder units on the ceiling. And we also have some hanging locker stainless steel hooks over here. This table here has a nice grab rail which also flips over. It also comes down and can become a bed for sleeping at night. And as well as you have a double bed down in there, and also some convenient storage area. Your galley here has a microwave. We have a single burner electric stove and a refrigerator, of course, as well as a sink. Your Fusion stereo here, another porthole for more ventilation, and a TV right there towards aft, as well as your electrical panel right there. Lastly, I'll show you the head. We have a vacuum flush toilet, a sink, fresh water, and it also comes out to a shower. Plenty of storage in there as well, and great access up above here to get to all your electronics at the helm. That's an overview of the 285 Conquest from Boston Whaler. Great family boat, great fishing boat, will do everything you need. If you'd like any more information, please come see me, Paul Giroux. I'm at MarineMax, Warwick, Rhode Island. Thank you.